इम्पोर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स 4 मई 2020। वर्ल्ड प्रेस फ्रीडम डे 3 मई को मनाया जाता है। वर्ल्ड प्रेस फ्रीडम डे पॉपुलरली नोन एज वर्ल्ड प्रेस डे is observed annually on May 3rd. The day is celebrated to raise awareness regarding the importance of freedom of the press. The day is reflection among media professionals about issues of press freedom and professional ethics. The theme of World Press Freedom Day 2020 is Journalism Without Fear or Favor. याद रखिएगा दोस्तों, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है थीम। 3 मई को मनाया जाता है वर्ल्ड प्रेस फ्रीडम डे और 2020 की थीम है जर्नलिज्म विदाउट फियर और फेवर। ठीक है, ये बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है। दो चीज़ें इंपॉर्टेंट होती है, एक तो डे और एक डेट, डे का डेट और उस दिन का थीम। एक बार और मैं बोल देता हूँ, जर्नलिज्म विदाउट फियर और फेवर। ठीक है, अगला है यस बैंक अपॉइंटेड नीरज धवन एज CRO। तो CRO अपॉइंट किया गया है नीरज धवन को। यस बैंक हैज़ अपॉइंटेड नीरज धवन एज इट्स चीफ रिस्क ऑफिसर। ठीक है, विद इमीडिएट इफेक्ट। He has been appointed for a period of 3 years. He assumed charge from 2nd May 2020 in place of Ashish Agarwal, the current Chief Risk Officer, who will be transitioning to a new role. Prior to this, Dhawan was holding the position of Chief Risk Officer for Retail and Business Banking at Yes Bank. दोस्तों, नीरज धवन जी को यस बैंक का चीफ रिस्क ऑफिसर नियुक्त किया गया है विद इमीडिएट इफेक्ट। ठीक है, ध्यान रखिएगा। अगला है इंडिया रैंक्ड 53rd इन बजट ट्रांसपेरेंसी। ठीक है, इंडिया हैज़ बीन प्लेस्ड एट 53rd पोजीशन अमंग 117 नेशंस इन 117 देशों में इन टर्म्स ऑफ बजट ट्रांसपेरेंसी एंड अकाउंटेबिलिटी अकॉर्डिंग टू द ओपन बजट सर्वे। The survey conducted by International Budget Partnership has provided India's union budget process a transparency score of 49 out of 100, which is higher than the global average of 45. New Zealand topped the chart with a score of 87. दोस्तों, इंडिया रैंक 53rd इन बजट ट्रांसपेरेंसी, याद रखना है। ठीक है, अगला है USAID announced support to India. The US will provide an additional $3 million to India through its aid agency USAID, United States Agency for International Development, for mitigating the spread of COVID-19. USAID is providing these funds to the Partnerships for Affordable Healthcare Access and Longevity PAHEL project. Okay, USAID has provided $5.9 million to assist India in responding to the pandemic. अगला है न्यूज़ अपने पास, मनु लाइफ picked 49% stake in Mahindra AMC. Manu Life has acquired 49% stake in Mahindra Finance wholly owned subsidiary Mahindra Asset Management Company. Under the agreement, Manu Life has invested $35 million or rupees 265 crore to pick up 49% stake in Mahindra AMC. Manulife Investment Management Singapore Pte Limited has bought 49% stake in the joint venture where Mahindra Finance will now own the balance 51% stake. Okay, list of upcoming tropical cyclone names. The Indian Meteorological Department has released a new list of 169 cyclone names. This list was adopted by the World Meteorological Department WMO panel in April 2019 and will be used to name tropical cyclones forming over the North Indian Ocean after Amphan. The North Indian Ocean includes the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. International Astronomy Day 2nd May. International Astronomy Day is celebrated twice a year, one in autumn and another in spring. The Astronomy Day 2020 was celebrated on May 2nd, 2020. The World will celebrate the next Astronomy Day on September 26, 2020. The idea behind observing the day is to create awareness and educate people about the beautiful universe. अगला है कॉमनवेल्थ यूथ गेम्स पोस्टपोन्ड द 2021 कॉमनवेल्थ यूथ गेम्स was postponed to 2023 because of clash of dates with the Tokyo Olympics, which has been pushed back by a year due to COVID-19. The Tokyo Olympics were originally scheduled to be held from July 23 to August 8, 2020, but the event was postponed to 2021. The 7th Commonwealth Youth Games were scheduled to take place from August 1 to 7, 2021 in Trinidad and Tobago. Ramesh Babu, NTPC Director Operations. NTPC has appointed Ramesh Babu 5th as Director Operations. He graduated as a mechanical engineer from NIT Srinagar and completed his master's in thermal engineering from IIT Delhi. Before appointment as Director Operations, he was the Executive Director to the CMD. He joined NTPC as Executive Trainee in 1987 and has more than 32 years experience. Kashmir saffron got GI tag, one of the most popular popular spices known for its aroma. The Kashmiri saffron has received geographical indication GI tag. As per the documents, the geographical indication registry has approved the GI tagging on the saffron with GI number 635. Kashmiri saffron is known to be superior in quality, having more medicinal value as compared to any other saffron producers across the world. Marcom India Research released a data report. Marcom India Research has released a data report. India Solar Market Leaderboard 2020. It reveals the solar industry market leaders that emerged during the calendar year 2019. It features the industry's leaders as well as their market share and shipment ranking. India installed 7.3 gigawatts of solar capacity in 2019 and secured its spot as the world's third largest solar market in the world. Chhattisgarh topped the list. Chhattisgarh has topped the list of states in providing employment to over 18 lakh unskilled laborers under the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. Around 77.85 lakh people are engaged in different work under the scheme across the country. The national participation of the workers working in the state is 24%, which is the highest in the country. Task Force on NIP presented its final report. The Task Force on National Infrastructure Pipeline (NIP) has submitted its final report on NIP for financial year 2019 to 25 to Nirmala Sitharaman. The summary report of the Task Force on National Infrastructure Pipeline for 2019-2025 has already been released by her on December 31, 2019. The final report is projecting total infrastructure investment of rupees 111 lakh crore during the period financial year 2020 to 2025. CWMA brought under the Jal Shakti Ministry. The centre has brought the Kaveri Water Management Authority under the Jal Shakti Ministry. In 2018, the centre constituted the CWMA to address the dispute over sharing of river water among Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala and Puducherry. Water management authorities of other rivers too have been brought under the Jal Shakti Ministry. Tripura government launched a desk. The Tripura government has launched an agro-entrepreneur facilitation desk. It will help the entrepreneurs of the state to get subsidies and incentives from central government funding agencies. The desk would be set up at the Directorate of Horticulture and Soil Conservation and would incur an annual expenditure of rupees 24 lakh. New book on Maharashtra Glorious Past. A new book will dwell on Maharashtra history and evolution from a rich past to the modern times and list its enormous contribution to the tapestry of the country's culture and thought. The book Shivaji in South Block, The Unwritten History of a Proud People, has been written by journalist Girish Kuber. The book is scheduled for release in October 2020. Writer and columnist R.V. Smith passed away. Eminent author and columnist Ronald Vivian Smith, who is best known for his writings on Delhi, passed away in April 2020. He was an author to several books on Delhi, of which The Delhi That No One Knows was a bestseller. Smith also wrote poetry and romantic novels like Jasmine Nights and The Taj. He also worked with the Press Trust of India and the Statesman for a significant amount of time. ICC Test Rankings. India slipped to third. India lost the top spot in the ICC Test Rankings to Australia, dropping to third after its stupendous 2016-17 record was eliminated from the annual update as per rules. India yielded the top spot in test ranking from the first time since October 2016, but continues to lead the ICC World Test Championship. Australia now has 116 points and is followed by New Zealand and India. India origin girl named first Mars helicopter. NASA first Mars helicopter has a name now, and the credit goes to 17-year-old Indian origin girl Vanessa Rupani, a high school junior from Northport, Alabama, earned the honor of naming the helicopter after she submitted her essay into NASA Name the Rover contest, destined to become the first aircraft to attempt powered flight on another planet. It is officially named Ingenuity. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel, like and share the video with your family and friends. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.